Hello everyone, my name is Toshihiro. I'm a Japanese. I'm studying Uzbek language by using online lesson. I want to share my lesson in this video. Today, let's learn how to express apology in Uzbek language. So let's get started.
Next is to say sorry. To say sorry, right? Okay, so kechirasiz.
Okay. Kechirasiz.
So kechirasiz. So it's also like excuse me kind of thing. Kechirasiz. You can say that, yeah. Kechirasiz. Uzur.
Uzur.
This means I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Yeah, uzur. So next is mazur tutasiz.
Mazur tutasiz.
Mazur tutasiz or af etasiz.
Af etasiz.
These are all excuse me, but they're a little bit too formal, very formal. Mazur tutasiz. But kechirasiz is okay. So, for example, when you're, like talking to a stranger in the street, you want to ask for a direction, you say kechirasiz. Okay. Next is hammasi joyida.
Hammasi joyida.
Hammasi joyida. Everything's everything's good. Everything's hammasi joyida. So if somebody says, "Oy, uzur, uzur," you can say, "Oh, hammasi joyida. Hammasi joyida." Next is kuttirib qo'yganim uchun kechirasiz.
Kuttirib qo'yganim uchun kechirasiz.
What does it mean? Yes. Yeah. Yes, exactly. So now, kuttirib qo'yganim uchun kechirasiz, and then you can say hech qisi yo'q.
Hech qisi yo'q.
This is also it's okay, right? Yeah, hech qisi yo'q. So, next is kechiring, sizni bezovta qilaman.
Wow. Kechiring, sizni bezovta qilaman.
Sorry to disturb you. I'm sorry to disturb you. So, sizni bezovta qilganim uchun uzr.
Sizni bezovta qilganim uchun uzr.
It's just like that. Also, right? Sizni bezovta qilganim uchun uzr. Okay. Can you understand everything?